Good morning all. Today we discuss about the logistics management. These topics are discussing in this video. What is logistics and logistics management? Logistics definition: the planning, execution and control of the movement or placement of goods and or people and the related supporting activities all within a system designed to achieve specific objectives. Logistics means the planning, execution and control of the movement of goods or services from the origin to the destination, that is end user. Logistics management. Logistics management is a supply chain management component that is used to meet customer demands through the planning, control and implementation of the effective movement and storage of goods, services and related information between the point of origin to destination in order to meet customer requirements. Logistic management means the management of transportation of information or finished goods from one place to another. Main fields within logistics: procurement logistics, production logistics, distribution logistics, disposal logistics. We discuss about the first one, procurement logistics. Procurement logistics is the act of acquiring, buying goods or services from an external source. Production logistics. Production logistics processes within a value adding system. Its aim is to ensure that to receive the right product at the right time at right place. Distribution logistics. It is also called as transport logistics. In this distribution logistics, transport the goods from manufacturing companies to customers. Last one, disposal logistics. Disposal logistics includes the collection of all types of waste. Waste can be scrap, surplus, recyclable materials, etc. Activities involved in logistics management: order processing, inventory management, material planning, warehousing, transportation. First one, order processing. Order processing is a process or workflow associated with the picking, packing and delivery of the packed items. Inventory management. Inventory management is a supervision of non-capitalized assets or inventory stock items. In inventory management supervises the flow of goods from manufacturers to warehouses. Material planning. Material planning is a scientific technique of determining in advance the requirements of raw materials, components and spare parts, etc. Warehousing. It is the act of storing goods that will be sold or distributed to dealers. Transportation. Transportation is a system for taking goods or raw materials or finished products from one place to another using different transportation modes: air, train, truck, etc. Types of logistics: inbound logistics, outbound logistics, third party logistics, reverse logistics. Inbound logistics. Inbound logistics is a value chain consists of the receiving and warehousing of raw materials and their distribution to manufacturing as they are required. Example: transportation, material handling, material storage, communication, etc. The inbound activities are related to sourcing, acquiring, storing and delivering the raw material and parts to the product or service department. What is meant by inbound logistics? Inbound logistics means we get the material from the suppliers and store it in the warehouses and it's sent to the production department. This is the inbound logistics. Outbound logistics is the process of storing, transporting and distributing goods to customers. The process starts with a customer sales order, moves on to warehouse packing and ends with product delivery. Example: finished goods like food items, vehicles, etc. Outbound logistics plays a critical role in a supplier's overall customer relationship management process. Outbound logistic means the finished product is sent to the dealers and to the customers. Third-party logistics. An organization use of third-party businesses to outsource elements of its distribution, warehousing and fulfillment services. Example, courier and parcel services, ocean carriers, freight forwarders, etc. Third-party logistics means it gives the facility of the warehousing to the organization to store the goods or raw materials or finished products. Reverse logistics. Reverse logistics is for all operations related to the reuse of products and materials. It is a process of moving goods from the typical final destination for the purpose of capturing value or proper disposal. The main reason for reverse logistics is reassembled or recycled to minimizing overall cost of an organization. Example, electronic gadgets, soft drink bottles, etc. What is the means of reverse logistics? Reverse logistics means to reassemble or recycle the finished product. Objectives of logistics: rapid response, minimum variance, quality. First one, rapid response. Rapid response is concerned with a firm's ability to satisfy customers' requirement in a timely manner. Minimum variance. Minimum variance is any unexpected event that disrupts the system. Disrupt the system is delay in order receipts, disruption in manufacturing, goods damaged at customer location, etc. Quality improvement. Logistics is a prime part of developing and maintaining continuous quality management improvement. If the quality of product fails, it adds to the customer's dissatisfaction. Supply chain and logistics. Sourcing, procurement, storage of raw materials, production planning and scheduling. Forward and reverse logistics. Sourcing, we acquire the raw material from the suppliers and procure the raw material, and the raw material is stored in warehouses and send it to the production department. The production department produce the or manufacture the finished product and then forward to its customers. Importance of logistics. Rise in transportation cost, production efficiency is reaching a peak, fundamental change in inventory philosophy, product line proliferated, computer technology, reduction in economic regulation. These are the importance of the logistics. In today's class, we discussed about the logistics, types of logistics and objectives of logistics. In next class, we discuss about the inventory management. Thank you.